It's still going to be hot here across central Texas, but we may be a little less hot over the next couple of days with highs staying into the 90s. That's because we may have a chance for a couple of thunderstorm complexes to roll on through the area. More on that in a second, but we'll go 93 for your Thursday. How about a feels like temperature of 107? Normally that'd be really hot, but compared to where we have been, that's actually a little bit cooler. But it doesn't last long. 96 degrees for Friday, feeling like 111. And here we go again by the weekend and next week. Looks like we'll be in that excessive heat warning criteria across the area. What about tonight, though? Well, we may see a complex of thunderstorms develop across northwest Texas and push into our area after midnight. If that complex can get going, we would have the potential for maybe some hail, but I do think wind would be the main threat with any complex moving through after midnight. And that wind could be pretty strong. So that'll be something that we track closely as we head through the evening hours and going into the overnight. Tornado threat doesn't look all that high, but you never can rule it out. And we would have the potential for maybe some street or creek flooding as well, as some locally heavy rain would be possible. So again, something to keep an eye on as we roll through the overnight hours tonight. So let's check out what we're tracking for you here in our future track. And this is one of our short range models. Between now and midnight, maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms out there, a couple of showers as well, but probably nothing too big. But as we head into the midnight to 3 a.m. time range, looks like thunderstorms would start to push into the area. Again, if these can get going, it could roll on through the region. Should be out of here by about sunrise or so. And then as we make our way into Thursday, that would stabilize our atmosphere, at least initially. We may see a couple more thunderstorms tomorrow evening if this comes true. And again, this is an if, depending on what happens tonight. So we will be tracking that closely over the next couple of days. But at least there's a chance of rain there. In other words, it looks like it'll be a little bit cooler. Temperatures will be into the mid 70s for tonight and highs tomorrow. 93 is better in Waco, 95, Temple and Killeen, 98 out in San Saba. So hopefully pushing those triple digits out for at least a day or two before they start to come back at us as we make our way into the weekend. It's still going to be really muggy, though, with temperatures into those 90s, feeling like over 100. 60% chance of morning thunderstorms, likely before sunrise Thursday. 30% on Friday, maybe an isolated storm Saturday early on. But most of us just drying out with highs into the triple digits again, and that could continue as we head into next week.